Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style, and I have a Dooney Burke unboxing with the Haunted Mansion from the Character Warehouse. So let's go ahead and get started. Comes in a bag like this. Go ahead and unbag it. And here's all the information if you're interested. They do have a few left, so if you can get over to the Character Warehouse in Florida, or if you have a personal shopper that can get there for you, these are going fairly quick, so just to let you know. Okay, that's the information there. Alright, it comes wrapped really nice. And I save all the tags for my Dooney Burke Disney. And the tags look like this, basically. Okay. Alright, go ahead and take that off. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's pretty. It's black and gold with the 50 on it there for the Haunted Mansion. And these are all wrapped up, and it does come with a luggage tag, which is pretty cool. And this is adjustable, which is nice. And it's basically canvas and leather. And that's all wrapped on the leather strap there. Alright, pretty good size. Okay, and it has the strap there. Along with the, like I showed you, the luggage tag. Okay. Right, let's go ahead and open it up here. And they come stuffed too, which is nice. And it also comes with a, like a dog leash they call it, for like your keys. And then also Dooney Burke come with a registration card, so make sure that you register all your Dooney Burke items. It's a good idea. And I just normally keep mine together with my other Disney stuff that I have, so it just makes it a lot easier. The inside is purple, and then it has Dooney Burke there. So it has a couple slots inside, a couple slots, one slot there, one slot over there. No zippers. The only zipper that it has is just this one here. That's pretty good. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what this will hold real quick. So I'm going to be switching out of my Sleeping Beauty coach. So let's see here. This is my mask. And I've been using this Samorga Trio for cards. This works really good. Got my phone, which is in an Autobox Defender case. And this is the iPhone XR. It's a pretty good size. And then I just have some cards here. Take those out. Okay, so this is empty now. Okay, this is pretty good size. This is not adjustable, but it does work pretty good, but it's good to swap out your bags. I try to use them for about a week and then I'll switch them out. Just a good habit to kind of get into. Alright, so I have my Dooney Burke Haunted Mansion wallet. This is fairly good size. This is the full-size wallet. Has a zipper. And it's also purple inside with the registration card. And then that has a lot of card slots. Alright, so let's see if that's going to fit. No, that is not going to fit. That's too big. This is too big. Alright, so I have the Haunted Mansion Cosmetic case with the stretch room. And I just put miscellaneous stuff in there. Let's see if that's going to fit. Yeah, that will fit. And let's see here, my phone. Yeah, that will fit. Cards. Let's see here, that's gonna fit. And put that on the side here. And then my miscellaneous cards. And my mask. And I may just have to get a small card holder. And that should do it, basically. So it does hold quite a bit. It's kind of like a camera size. Alright, so that's going to be my new bag for the week. What bag do you guys have for the week? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Make sure you subscribe because when I hit 500, I'm doing a giveaway, which is going to be fabulous. So make sure, refer a friend. If you do, let me know and I'll give you an extra entry. Like, subscribe, share is always appreciated, and make sure you ring the bell. Have a great week, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.